Hey, hello everyone. My name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing the wipe coding in the Power Apps. So, Microsoft just announced the wipe coding in the Power App first time. This is a preview feature and it is only available in the mostly in the US regions. So, let's go and see what is wipe coding in the Power App. So if you open your Mac.Power Apps at the top right left corner, you can able to see try new experience. It is in preview, and here we have option of wipe coding. So entirely new experience we are getting. Okay, URL is also changing in this wipe coding interface. So here what they want, you just have to give a one prompt. By using that prompt, it will create a database model. It will create table structure, everything for you, and you can edit your application by using just prompt like V0, VZ, Copilot, GitHub Studio in the VS Code. That type of web interface this vibe.powerapps.com gives us. So let's I give here one prompt simply. Prompt already right here. Okay, I want to create a task planner application. Okay, for an employees. Okay, here I also taken reference of below prompts. It is the first time I am creating. Let's see what outcome it is gives us. So the app will have two roles, manager and employee. Manager can create the task and assign them to employees. Employees can only work on the task assigned to them. They cannot create new tasks. Both manager and employee will view tasks in the Kanban board. Employees will see only their assigned tasks and manager will see tasks created by them. So this simple requirement I am giving to the Power Apps. Let's see what outcome it is generating. So this is okay. So it is gathering the information and designing the data model as well. When I trying first time, data model creation takes lot of time. Okay. So if I have one more tab open as well. So in this, if you see create plan, it is just not working as well. I'm giving the exact view. Okay, how it's working, what is the actual usage working correctly or not. So let's see. So it is adding data source. Okay, this time it is creating as compared to last time it is just in between stuck. We not get a proper response. So it is preview feature, so we can expect that. So data model is created, now it is creating an application. So let's see what type of application it is creating. So five agents working together for creation of our entire application. First one is requirement agents. So this agent will gather the information. Then we have the data agent that will create our database model. And third we have the code agent, and fourth one is solution agent that will combine all the stuff and put into a solution. So we can give that. So here you can see we get a 404 error as well. So it is handling that. Okay, finalizing details still. It is 85 seconds. We are still waiting. It's generating application. Okay, so if you see our application first interface is present now. Okay, we can view that at least in the front end now. Okay, so now started in progress. Confirm. So first interface looking better. Okay, as per the visualization. Still it is creating our application. Let's see. One means completely 2 minutes we spend here. Okay, still it is generating, taking time to write a code in the background. So if you see the UI that we get here, very good UI we are getting here. Complete fluent design, task completed, and it is opening the task planner application for us as well. Your app is ready along with plan. So first I save this application because it should not go elsewhere, and it is giving URL, okay, for the playing purpose. So I will go here. So it is my plan. Sorry. So plan is okay, all good. Here is the data model. If I want to make some changes in the data model in this section, I can do. So this you can see we have employee table, then we have the task table, and we have the task comments as well. So task comments are not given in the prompt, but it's use his own brain, okay, and create the task comment table as well. It is good, okay. So task title, task description created by assigned to due to. So relationships also it is created. We can see. Let's go to our application. I'm also go. Let's create one task. Okay, create a task. Oh, good. New task one, description demo task. Select an employee. So it is added dummy data as well. John Smith I selecting. Okay, for manager it is not. So I'm assuming Sarah Wilsons is a manager. Okay, created by. So it can be, we can analyze due date. So due date should be like on the 13th of this month. Priority medium, and it should be status. Let's I change the status. Okay, because of this I'm not able to change the status, but by using, okay, in progress, and let's click on the create task. So first task is created. Can I able to add the comments? Be the first to add an update. Okay, commenter. So John Smith is commenter working on task. So persona did not follow properly. Okay, like let's go added comment. Let's change the status to the completed. So I'm going to wipe.powerapps and let's see my plan. Task planner hub. Okay, so this is my our application. Let's I click on publish. So it should go and publish our application so we can use this app in the play mode. So my honest review in this one, okay, wipe.powerapps. This is very good feature if I want to create the application from the scratch. Okay, it will take a lot of time, but it's created very good fluent UI design for me, and I have the starting point. If someone is not coming from the coding background, so it is very good feature that Microsoft is provided. I appreciate this excellent work. Publish as well. So if I go in the vibe.powerapps in apps, I have the task planner application. So what feature is giving? Edit. So I can edit this app as well. Okay, by using prompt code split refresh preview. Sanika is working on this application. What settings are present?